Hi everyone, my name is Lina. I'm the compounding pharmacist at HB Pharmacy, and today we're going to go over how to use your compounded hair gel. And before we begin, I want to bring up a very important safety reminder for you. If your compounded hair gel contains an ingredient called finasteride, this message is for you. While finasteride is generally considered a safe and well-tolerated medication, it is known to cause some birth defects and harm in babies. So if you're planning to be around individuals who are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, we do advise against using this medication. And if that's the case, please give us a call at 201-997-2010 to discuss your options with the pharmacist or contact your doctor's office. So this is Vince. He runs the business operations at HB Pharmacy, and he's actually used our product before, so he's going to be demonstrating how to use the compounded product, as well as talk about his experience.
Hi everyone. So like Lina mentioned, I've actually used this product for a while and had pretty good results. Also, like Lina mentioned though at the beginning, there are some reasons where you might not want to take the product, like if you're trying to conceive a child with your partner, which is my current situation, so I stopped taking this product while I was doing that. And actually, you can kind of tell the product works pretty well, but once we have gotten past that phase, I will be doing it again, and happy to demonstrate how the product works.
Now, let's review how to use your hair gel. Starting with dry hair, if you have a small part your hair into rows to identify areas with thinning hair. If you have a spot in your back, you can actually do it by identifying it by looking at a mirror. Apply one pump of the gel into your hand and gently massage it into areas of your scalp affected by hair loss. Make sure to rub it in for about 20 to 30 seconds or until it is nearly fully absorbed. If you get the gel on any other parts of your face, gently wipe the area to avoid unnecessary hair growth in the area. Once you apply it, wait at least 2 to 4 hours before getting your hair wet or covering your head or lying down. Make sure to wash your hands with soap and water immediately after application. So that wraps up how to use your compounded hair gel. If you actually look on the side of your pump, you'll notice that there's a window to gauge how much is left on the prescription. So when you're running low, either give our pharmacy a phone call or give your provider a phone call for a new refill.